What's up, guys? Today we are at the legendary Fort Lauderdale bar on the beach called Rockbar. Iconic. It's been here for a long, long time. And we have the luxury of epoxying the brand new bar that just got built by a good buddy of ours. He built it from scratch. It's a huge circular round bar made out of wood. We're going to epoxy the top. We're going to go with some colors that are going to go with the vibe of the room. They told us to pretty much go crazy with it, but they also want it to be super durable. So we're doing a metallic system with a urethane, aliphatic urethane top coat. We're going with 3 colors. First color is going to be a blue mist. Second color is going to be a solid red. If you guys know, red is a very hard color to find as far as metallics. So we're going with a solid safety red. Extremely bright red. It's a solid color, but it does the job. And then we're going with a aqua. Just 3 colors. That's all we need to get crazy. You guys be the judge. We're using these foam squeegees to do some designs. We're going to blend it in slightly, but we're going to let each color be pretty dominant by themselves. It's a pretty dark place, but when the lights shine on the counter, it's going to give it a real nice pop. Here we are mixing the aqua, getting ready to pour it out. So we're just pretty much pouring out each color. The red is such a bright, dominant color that we're going to keep that one to a minimum. We're going to do about 40% aqua, 40% blue, and I'd say maybe 20% or less of the safety red. But if anybody knows safety colors, they're like extremely, extremely bright. Here we are pouring out each of the colors. We're going to leave the red to last. We love to flood our metallics, so we go extra heavy on the metallics. And if you guys see, we have tape up around the edges. That's just to hold the epoxy in place, so it doesn't just run off. What we like to do is we like to give it about 45 minutes, let the epoxy tack up a little bit, and then we peel the tape to give it a nice round edge. Countertops are tricky because you don't know how much epoxy to estimate for the project. We always like to go extra in the event that if we do have extra, it's okay, but you never want to have not enough. If you guys can see how bright the red is. Now we're blending the colors in together. Starting to come together. It's looking really cool. You guys know you only have a certain amount of time to get rid of all the material because you don't want some material drying up sooner than others. Bar needs to be completely level. Once you put that urethane top coat on there, it does bring out any imperfections. As you can see, the safety red really, really has that unique shine to it. We're just playing with the design. I'm just blending it in, but still keeping each color pretty separate. We bring the owner of the bar over to see what he thinks. He gave some suggestions about wanted a little bit more red. He loves the red. We like to get in and out, so 30 minutes at max to play with the material. We didn't want any big blobs of red because, like we said, it's so dominant. We're playing with the design. We like to blend out the harsh lines where the colors meet each other. Countertops are awesome because you have a lot of control over it. You get to stand over it the whole time and really manipulate the product how you want it. Here we are with the torch, just releasing any air bubbles. We did have a great base coat to work with, so. But then again, sometimes when the coating is so thick, it does create bubbles. And we have a blowtorch with an extended wand. It works really great, especially on countertops. Even works great on the floors. This was our first ever YouTube video, guys. We really appreciate you for tuning in. We're gonna need you to smash that subscribe button. We got way more content coming to you, and drop in the comments other type of jobs that you guys would love to see.